Infinix GT20 Pro Overview. Infinix GT20 Pro was launched on April 26, 2024. It comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display which supports resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels at 388 pixels per inch. The GT20 Pro is powered by octa-core Dimensity 8200 Ultimate processor and Mali G610MC6 GPU. It offers 8GB/12GB RAM and 256GB storage options. The phone runs XOS 14 on top of Android 14 operating system. As regard camera quality, the Infinix GT20 Pro boasts a triple camera setup of 108MP x 2MP x 2MP lenses on the rear side, while on the front side, it features a single 32MP camera. Infinix GT20 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery and supports fast charging as well as wireless charging. It comes with dual nano SIM for connectivity. It measures 6.47 by 2.97 by 0.32 inch, height x width x thickness, and weighs 194 grams. As of July 3, 2024, Infinix GT20 Pro price in Pakistan starts at 94,999 rupees. Brand Infinix. Model GT20 Pro. Price in Pakistan PKR 94,999. Release date April 26, 2024. Launched in Pakistan yes. Dimensions, in 6.47 by 2.97 by 0.32. Weight, G, 194. SIM dual, nano SIM. Colors Mecha Orange, Mecha Blue, Mecha Silver. References Reference 1.